Ever wondered how to unlock the full potential of Gmail? With over a whopping 1.8 billion users worldwide, Gmail is not just your ordinary email service, it's a powerhouse. But here's the scoop. There's a treasure trove of hidden features and nifty tricks that can take your Gmail game to a whole new level, making your inbox management a breeze, saving you precious time, and supercharging your productivity. In this video, we're diving into 7 game-changing Gmail hacks that are absolute game changers. These hacks aren't just about managing emails. They're about turning you into a Gmail wizard. No more suspense. Let's jump right in and unveil these Gmail secrets together. The first awesome Gmail hack is the magical undo send feature. Ever wished you could turn back time after hitting that send button a tad too soon? We've all been there. Well, if you have ever sent an email and suddenly spot a typo, forgot an attachment, or realized you sent it to the wrong person, well, no need to panic. Just press undo send. This nifty feature is like a safety net for your emails, giving you the power to cancel or recall them in the blink of an eye. So, how do you become the master of email time travel? Easy peasy. Head over to your Gmail settings, click on See All Settings, and glide over to the General tab. Keep scrolling until you spot the golden undo send option. Click on the drop-down menu next to Send Cancellation Period and pick your magic number, anywhere from 5 to 30 seconds. Hit Save Changes at the bottom and you're in business. Now, the real fun begins. After sending an email, keep an eagle eye on the bottom left of your screen. Spot the undo button, click it like you're casting a spell, and voila! Your email goes back into hiding before the world sees it. Just remember, you've got to work your magic before that time limit runs out, or your email will make its grand entrance. Alright, buckle up for Gmail hack number 2, the game-changing Vacation Responder feature. Ever wished you could be a time-traveling email maestro, sending messages exactly when they'll make the biggest impact? Well, get ready to feel like the superhero of email timing. If you want to send out prompt responses without disturbing your vacation mode, then this feature will swoop in to save the day. Just head to the main settings, scroll down in the General tab, and voila, there you have it. Turn this feature on to respond to incoming messages without staying glued to your phone on your vacations. Now let's jazz things up with Gmail hack number 3, the label and filter extravaganza. Say goodbye to the chaos in your inbox and hello to a world of organized email bliss. We're talking labels, colors, and filters. Imagine your inbox as a well-organized party where every email knows its place. Labels are your VIP passes, and filters are the bouncers keeping things in check. Whether it's work, personal, or that glorious important folder, you're the maestro deciding who gets the spotlight. So how do you become the grandmaster of email organization? Head to your Gmail settings, the backstage pass to your inbox magic. Click on See All Settings and let the Label tab be your canvas. Create, name, and splash colors on your labels like an email Picasso. But wait, there's more. Filters are like your personal email assistants. Ever wished your inbox could automatically sort itself? Filters got your back. Create rules like a boss, label, archive, delete, or even forward emails based on sender, subject, keywords, you name it. Creating labels and filters is as easy as pie. Dive into your Gmail settings, dance your way to the Labels tab for labels and the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab for filter fun. Feeling spontaneous? Create a filter on the fly by selecting an email, hitting the 3-dot icon, and choosing filter messages like these. Criteria set, actions chosen, and voila, you're the email guru. All right, time to level up your Gmail game with hack number 4, the keyboard shortcut symphony. Say goodbye to mouse click madness and hello to the world of ninja-like email maneuvers. Get ready to feel the power at your fingertips, literally. So instead of aimlessly clicking buttons, you become the keyboard maestro. Press C and voila, you're composing a new email without breaking a sweat. Feeling the urge to reply? Just hit R and watch the magic happen. But that's just the tip of the keyboard iceberg. Gmail's got a whole treasure trove of shortcuts waiting for you. E for archiving, J and K for navigating through emails like a pro, S for starring, Z for undoing, and that's just the beginning. To unlock this keyboard wizardry, you need to make a quick pit stop in your Gmail settings. Head to See All Settings, click on the General tab, find keyboard shortcuts, flip that radio button to on, and hit Save Changes. Boom, you're officially a shortcut sorcerer. Now, I challenge you to embrace the shortcut life for a day. Trust me, once you get the hang of it, there's no turning back. Time for hack number 5, and this one's a game changer. Dive into the Google Drive party. Get ready to unlock a whole new level of file magic, collaboration, and seamless integration with your Gmail. Google Drive, my friend, is not just a cloud storage hero. 'Tis your sidekick for all things files and folders. With Google Drive on your team, you can access your files from any device. It's like having your personal file genie wherever you go. Now let's talk Gmail synergy. You can attach files straight from your Google Drive to your emails with a click on the snazzy Google Drive icon at the bottom of your Compose window. Feeling fancy? Drag and drop those files like you're orchestrating a digital symphony. But wait, there's more. Ever wanted to save email attachments directly to your Google Drive? Hover over that attachment, give the Google Drive icon a little click, and voila, it's safely stored in your Drive kingdom. What about you? What's your go-to Gmail hack? Any secret tips or features you can't live without? Let me know in the comments below. The sixth hack is to use templates. These are pre-written messages that you can save and use for your emails. Templates can help you save time and effort when writing emails, especially if you often send similar or repetitive emails. To create and use templates, you need to go to your Gmail settings, click on See All Settings, and then click on the Advanced tab. Scroll down to Templates and click on the radio button beside Enable. Then click on Save Changes at the bottom of the page. To create a template, you need to compose a new email and write the message that you want to save as a template. Then, click on the three-dot icon at the bottom right of the Compose window and choose Templates. Then, click on Save Draft as Template and choose a name for your template. To use a template, you need to compose a new email and click on the three-dot icon at the bottom right of the Compose window. Then, choose Templates and click on the template that you want to use. You can also edit the template before sending it. Well, we've reached the seventh and final hack that's going to take your Gmail game to the next level. If you're on the move with no Wi-Fi in sight, well, fear not. Gmail offline mode is here to the rescue. This nifty feature lets you stay on top of your emails even when the internet decides to take a coffee break. Ready to embark on this offline journey? Head to your Gmail settings, the secret vault of email wonders. Click on See All Settings and shimmy over to the Offline tab. Spot the checkbox that says Enable Offline Mail. Check that bad boy. Now, the magic happens. Choose how many days of emails you want to sync, decide on attachments, and tailor your offline data preferences. Hit Save Changes, and you're officially an offline email ninja. When you're in the offline zone, just hop into your Gmail account, and voila, a friendly message greets you. You are offline. No worries, though. You can still sync, read, write emails, and work your Gmail magic. Once you're back online, your offline heroics will seamlessly update. And that's a wrap on our 7 Gmail hacks adventure. I hope you've picked up some cool tricks to supercharge your Gmail experience. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share the knowledge with your friends, and hit that subscribe button with the notification bell dance for more Google goodness. And don't forget to share your thoughts, hacks, and Gmail tales in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in. Catch you in the next video. Bye!